Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. It's Ben. I thought I'd make a video today. I've been milling a bunch this month and thought, you know what? Since I got a extra few helpers here today, I might as well take advantage of it and try to make a video. As you can see here, we're playing with some Doug fir that I got, and most of them are cut to 12-foot long lengths that are anywhere from 20 to 28 inch diameters. I think today we cut up 6 logs. 4 of them were fir, and the other 2 were a noble, which actually kind of turned out pretty well. So, as well as today was the first day we decided to use equipment instead of our bodies, which kind of makes things a lot nicer and easier for me. So, which that in itself is a little bit of a learning curve, as you could kind of tell here. But yeah, also took full advantage of using the drone and a couple of different camera angles. Mostly we're cutting wood for my cabin in Eastern Oregon, where it's much drier, and the plan is to eventually take the wood over there and let it air dry with the very low humidity and high wind. So if everything works out, hopefully by October this year, get it installed into the cabin and start enjoying the color and the grain. If you like this video and have thoughts or questions, please feel free to comment below. Love to hear from you guys. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the music.